new judges were appointed to the Supreme Court on Monday, increasing the court's strength to 37, just one short of its sanctioned strength of 38. The appointments were notified by the Department of Justice under the Union Law Ministry. Senior Advocate Venkita Subramani Mohana and 4 Chief Justices of High Courts: Justice Chandrasekhar, Bombay High Court; Justice Sheel Nagu, Punjab and Haryana High Court; Justice Sanjeev Sachdev, Madhya Pradesh High Court; and Justice Arun Palli, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court have been elevated. The government had earlier increased the sanctioned strength of the Supreme Court from 34 to 38 through an ordinance including the Chief Justice of India, creating 6 vacancies. After these 5 appointments, only 1 vacancy remains. Senior Advocate Venkita Subramani Mohana, who's 59 years old, becomes the second woman to be directly elevated to the Supreme Court from the bar after Justice Indu Malhotra 2018. She will also be one of the 2 serving women judges in the Supreme Court, along with Justice B.V. Nagaratna, who is expected to serve briefly as Chief Justice of India in 2027. Mohana, a graduate of Coimbatore Law College 1988, has handled several major cases, including matters related to Permanent Commission for Women Officers in the Armed Forces, senior citizens, property rights, and the Karnataka hijab ban case. She will be the 12th women judge in Supreme Court history and is scheduled to retire in June 2031. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.